2021 and cities across the country have put in restrictions to celebrate New Year's. Majority of metros have imposed night curbs while Goa is witnessing quite a big influx of tourists. Here's a roundup on what's happening.
It's a new year like never before. The coronavirus pandemic and the new virus strain from United Kingdom have spooked more states. India's big metros have enforced wide-ranging restrictions on celebrations. The night curfew from 11 p.m. continues in Mumbai. No public gatherings allowed. Hangout spots like Marine Drive, Bandra Bandstand, Juhu Beach are under close watch. The government wants citizens to stay at home instead of crowding pubs. The big relief is restaurants are allowed to deliver food after 11 p.m.
The Delhi Disaster Management Authority has imposed night curfew in national capital, which means that this year the New Year celebration is going to be low-key. Now this night curfew will start from 11 p.m. and it will remain in effect till 6 a.m. in the morning. This will be in place on 31st of December and 1st of January.
Delhi sprang a surprise on revelers. The state took a last-minute decision to impose a night curfew on both Thursday and Friday. All celebratory events, congregations and gatherings at public places from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. are banned. No vehicles are allowed to enter Connaught Place after 8 p.m.
Because last year we did almost 500 people. They were partying, chilling, eating, drinking and all that. But this year, because of COVID, we have restricted our number of seatings. So I would say not more than 130 people, because the entire restaurant can take up to around 250 seating in terms of, the seating plan.
India's IT city logs out at midnight. The state government has imposed Section 144 that bans public gatherings from midnight to 6 a.m. The restrictions continue on January 1st as well. Chennai has closed Marina Beach till 6 a.m. on Saturday. All celebrations stand banned.
Several restrictions have been imposed in the city of Chennai, considering that no kind of public celebration will be allowed for New Year. In fact, this is a junction called Marina Junction, where thousands and thousands of people would gather every New Year's Eve, that is 31st December of every year, celebrating and welcoming the New Year. But this time it's going to be entirely different. This beach and this area is completely cordoned off.
Goa is open. The tourist hub is jam-packed with about 45 lakh visitors. The government has made it mandatory for party goers to wear masks and observe social distancing.
31st पे अभी तो कुछ देखा नहीं, होटल वाले जो भी अभी सजेस्ट करते हैं, बाकी बीचेस पे ही रहना है रात को भी, और थोड़ा टीटोज लेन के बारे में सुना है, वहीं पे ही घूमना है.
Muted celebrations ring in the new year. India now hopes for a COVID vaccine that will bring back life to normal. Bureau Report, India Today.
It's now, of course, New Year is there. In just moments from now, we're going to enter 2021. Our reporters are right there across the length and breadth of the country, bringing us the pulse of celebrations across. Many cities there under lockdown and night curfew. So what's the mood on ground? Aishwarya Paliwal joining us from Connaught Place, Delhi. Nolan Pinto joining us from Bengaluru. Saurabh Bhaktania from Marine Drive, Mumbai. Pramod Madhav joining us from Basant Nagar Beach in Chennai, and Pankaj Kelkar joining us from Panaji, Goa, the most happening place it appears. Sushant Mehra joining us from the Singhu border. I'll start with Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, Delhi has imposed a night curfew. It's quite a party pooper that's come in quite late towards the end of yesterday. An announcement was made that Delhi can't party hard late to the night. This is, of course, in the wake of COVID-19. Are people adhering to rules?
Well, definitely. It has turned out to be a party pooper here in Connaught Place. Constant patrolling is being done by the police personnel. Now, the police personnel are taking rounds of the very famous Connaught Place, which according to many is also the heart of the national capital. Police personnel there, a lot of barricading being put up. In fact, the number of police personnel in Connaught Place making sure people go back, because from 11 till 6 a.m. tomorrow morning is the time when the curfew, the night curfew, has been imposed. From what we understand, the administration was very clear. They did not want a repeat of what happened in Diwali. We saw just after the festivities got over in Diwali, there was a spike in the number of active COVID cases. That's something which the administration does not want, which is why we are seeing this night curfew being imposed. Back to you.
Right, Aishwarya, I wish you a very happy new year there. Let me quickly cut across to Pankaj Kelkar joining us from Goa. This is the most happening spot, is it, Pankaj? It seems like the entire the tourist population have all descended in Goa because of the night curfews in several other destinations. It seems like people have made the right choice because Goa has not announced a curfew and people are out there enjoying their way into 2021.
We can say that Goa government has dared to liberate itself from other states and they have dared to announce that lockdown won't be there, and that is the reason crowds are thronging in Goa. Now with us we have one of the organizers who says that his party is well organized. Let's ask him why did he say so. Why are you saying that your party is corona free and you are taking all of the precautions?
See, we are taking all the precautions with respect to the COVID protocols. Especially wearing of mask is compulsory. All my staff is wearing the mask and wearing the gloves as well. Even for the tourists, we have made wearing mask is compulsory. Everybody has been thermally checked with respect to the temperature, and sanitization is also very compulsory. And in the gaming area, we are following very strictly the social distancing norms.
So here you have heard all of the precautions are being taken. Here you can see a jam-packed party, but yes, only invitees are invited and family members are here who are sitting in groups, and so they are saying that this party is well organized and they are taking all of the precautions. Although we can see that these family members are not wearing masks, but still they are confident that they are not spreading corona because there are none. Goa is the reason is celebrating while
that's definitely not the way to party there. You've got to wear your mask. You can't be confident, no matter where you are, you can't be confident that you will not contract or be contagious. So I hope Kelkar there, you're giving them a word of advice. Please wear your mask. Ask those, the organizers as well to make it mandatory. Now, let me go over to what's happening in Mumbai. Saurabh Vakhtania joining us from Marine Drive. Saurabh, what a dampener for all those revelers who are out there wanting to have a fun 2021, usher in the New Year's in style. Mumbai does it quite in style, but this time, unfortunately, due to the COVID pandemic, there's a curfew.
Absolutely, Nabila. And let me tell you, Mumbai is known for its nightlife. And until last year, the party used to go until 6 a.m. in the morning. But due to this time COVID-19 restriction, let me tell you, all the parties, forget about hotels, pub and restaurant, the parties inside the building, society and terrace are completely banned. Now, Nabila, Mumbai have seen one of the most difficult times due to COVID-19, and therefore people are actually following all the rules and regulation. Now, let me tell you, I am present at Mumbai's Bandstand area, and until last year, this place would have been completely packed with people. It would have been pumped. All the family members, all the friends and everyone would be here celebrating the New Year. There would be firecracker. But look at the current situation. There is not even a single person with whom I can talk about the New Year. So this is actually the new normal. This is I am seeing for the first time, Nabila. Completely empty road. This is the most famous Bandra Bandstand. There is heavy presence of cops over here who are guiding people away from here. By 10:30, the people had actually left from this particular place, and now you can see the current situation. So people are actually following all the rules and regulation because Mumbai had seen such a difficult time. And Nabila, with this new year, we all are expecting a huge hope that this coronavirus completely vanishes in the year 2021.
Right. Again, wishing you a very happy New Year, Saurabh there. Let's hope Mumbaikars stay indoors and adhere to the rules. It's just a little while longer until you need to hold your ground. Be patient. Nolan Pinto there from Bengaluru. Nolan, this is the time. MG Road, Brigade Road is bustling. There's that much noise, so much of fun, music, dance and drama that's usually happening around those areas. But we see quite a deserted look this time.
Nabila, you know exactly how it is over here, and personally, I'm actually enjoying this piece. Once in a way, it's necessary. But let me just show you what it's like as of now. This is the very, very busy MG Road, Brigade Road junction. And any normal day, I beg your pardon, basically on New Year's Eve, you'd have about 40 to 50,000 people here, creating a ruckus. But this time around, because of Section 144 and also because of the restrictions, no one can come over here. There's no vehicular movement here. And people who do want to come to Brigade Road and MG Road to go to the, one of the restaurants or the pubs have to have an invite or a coupon to come over here. And 11 o'clock is basically the time where everything shuts and they will have to go home. So for most of the people who have come out and have decided to come out and celebrate will be welcoming the new year, that is 2021, in their homes, safe and sound. So this is what's happening across the city. Flyovers have been shut, so people do not take them. Furthermore, the police are also very strict regarding drunk driving, and also nakabandis have been set up across the city. It's very simple, Nabila. Wherever people are partying, whatever they are doing, they need to follow the SOPs that have been put in place. Wear your mask. Practice physical distancing, because you'll keep yourself and also your friends and family's lives away from danger.
Undoubtedly. Nolan, for the roller coaster of a ride that you've had during this pandemic, reporting on field, maybe you should enjoy this piece as you usher in the 2021. Wish you a very happy new year as well. Pramod Madhav joining us from Basant Nagar Beach. Pramod, what a celebration it usually is in Chennai around this time, New Year's. What do you see right behind you on a day like this with the night curfew in place?
Well, Nabila, I'm just seeing emptiness around the place. Like, in fact, I could contest Nolan's, MG Road holding 50,000 people. But this location called, an important junction in Marina, near Marina Beach, almost an 8-kilometer stretch. This place can hold lakhs and lakhs of people. And that's how much people come every year to this location. They stand together. They are all strangers, greeting everyone, shaking hands, hugging each other, yelling out Happy New Year. But unfortunately, that is not the scene currently. All roads that leads to Marina Beach are completely closed. Police on either side. 10,000 policemen have been placed over here, especially to make sure that people do not gather in any public area. And that's the kind of situation. And that's why you see the whole place completely deserted. You don't see anybody except us and policemen at the site right now. Even only essential service vehicles are allowed at this point. So this is, yes, a bit depressing, but this is a kind of bitter medicine that is required to maintain or to control the pandemic. And that's the reason people definitely are cooperating. And there are nearly 300 checkposts across the city to make sure that people do not gather at important areas. Even requests have been placed with worship, temples or churches, to make sure that, not in larger temples or churches, larger masses are not conducted after 10 p.m. Hotel resorts are asked to wind up by 10 p.m. All this is as you could see, that bell chiming behind me, everything is completely empty and quiet, and it's a bit not like a normal New Year here.
Absolutely. You wouldn't see a sight like this. Pramod, you're lucky to witness it. You're out there reporting. People are indoors. Like you said, rightly, they've got to digest that bitter medicine, the bitter pill. It's about time, maybe just this year, for your friends, for your family, for your loved ones, stay indoors, stay safe. Keep distance. Whatever party you're having, ensure you keep your face mask and your social distancing in place, and then enjoy it. Health is more important, and then the rest of it. Pramod, a very happy new year to you. Sushant Mehra there, joining us from the Singhu border, where the protests are currently on. It may not be the best, most happiest atmosphere there, Sushant, but nonetheless, farmers right at the border as well are ushering in the new year while they sit in protest. What do you see right behind you? Sushant, I'm unable to hear you. We're going to try and patch Sushant again. But those are our reporters who are giving us continued coverage non-stop from right on ground across the length and breadth of the country. But let's take a quick look at Goa and the way Goa celebrates right this moment. Here are visuals coming in from Goa, where visuals are coming in of all the party and celebration happening. Possibly the only city in the country which is happening, if I could use the word. Now, tourists across the country have arrived in Goa to bring in the new year. The state government has not issued night curfew as yet. Tourists are making the most of it. However, only a few are following precautions of masks and social distancing. Pankaj Khelkar brings us this ground report. Let's take a listen.
Seeing these visuals, you would be tempted to think the pandemic nightmare has ended. India's party capital is living up to its name. New Year's Eve 2020 has turned out to be the busiest day of the year as tourists from across the country, 45 lakh, according to some estimates, have descended upon the stage.
Shacks are full, the dance floor is full, tourists are there, and the locals are happy. There's a broad smile on their faces. Now they are saying that since last 1 year, they have been experiencing, they had the lockdown, and so the business was also down. And now, because of Christmas and now New Year, they have got the chance to earn, and that is the reason when they've got this opportunity, they don't want to miss it. They are welcoming, they are there to welcome the guests, and the tourists are there to enjoy.
Cafes, beaches, flea markets, tourists are everywhere, and they're making up for all the travel they've lost this year. Some are here to shake off the stress.
अभी कोविड सिचुएशन को देखते देखते तो अभी साल निकल रहा है, तो अभी हम उसको थोड़ा सा साइड में रखते हैं, अभी फ्रैंक होने के लिए और टेंशन को रिलीज करने के लिए यहाँ पे रिलैक्स होने के लिए आए हैं.
While others are here to ring in the new year with a blast. The local administration, after missing out on its primary source of revenue for most of the year, is cashing in. It, however, urges everyone to follow COVID norms.
और गोवा एक ऐसा शहर है जो भगवान ने देन दी हुई है, और इसकी नेचुरल ब्यूटी जो है वो भगवान ने हमको स्वर्ग दिया हुआ है. टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, वो SOP और MHA फॉलो करके, रूल्स फॉलो करके यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
Goa seems to be the only state which has opened up to revelers in a big way. Most states have imposed restrictions or banned public gatherings. With Pankaj Khelkar in Goa, Bureau Report, India Today.
Pankaj Khelkar joining us from Goa. Pankaj, we saw the kind of crowds and the excitement, enthusiasm, but we see many of them not following COVID-19 protocols that are in place. Are they getting fined? Is there any deterrent at all?
Over here, the police, what we understand from them, that they have given a free hand, although those who don't wear masks will be fined 200 rupees. That's what the DGP over here had mentioned a day earlier. But other than that, other ministers have clearly said that this is the chance and opportunity for the business to revive. And here what we can see, there are n number of parties going on throughout the state. Some organized and some are going haywire, and that is the visual where we could see on the beaches that people not following the norms, not following the SOPs, not wearing the mask. But over here we can see an organized party, people are sitting quietly listening to the music. These are all invitees with family members, and most of them have arrived here by plane, so it is compulsory to board the plane only when you have RT-PCR negative case, and that is the reason the government of Goa might be in a way relaxed that those who are coming over here are corona free, and so they have allowed a free hand to the organizers. The organizers over here, like this, a floating casino, the Majestic Pride, they have also assured that they have guided their invitees, their members to come with masks. But what we could see, they are not wearing the mask, but the excuse that they give is that they are with their family members, and so there is no need for them to wear a mask when they are sitting over here. But other than that, rules are being followed in some of the organized parties. Other parties which are unorganized are flouting the rules, and they might then...
I get it, Pankaj. You know, some of them wearing the masks, some of them not wearing those masks. It seems like it's quite a mixed atmosphere there, where people on one hand trying to be careful, on the other hand absolutely oblivious. So this is the kind of mood that we see here all across. Responsibility must be shared, it must be borne by all, and let's hope a message is going out to them. The reason to why many cities are under lockdown is because of the carelessness, because of the kind of spread, and you know, the country has really borne the brunt of the COVID-19 pandemic. Lakhs of people who've passed away, but of course not bringing in let's go forward with 2021 with a happy and a positive atmosphere, and that will only happen if you take precautions, and that's that. There's no two-way to that. You've got to wear your mask, maintain social distance. Sushant Mehra now, let me go back to him. Singhu border. Sushant, we know that the atmosphere in Singhu border is not the most vibrant, but what do you see? What's the mood of the people, farmers who are protesting there even as we speak? How are they bringing in 2021?
देखिए रवीला, नए साल की जो शुरुआत है वो नई उम्मीदों के साथ है कि पिछले एक महीने से भी ज़्यादा का वक्त हो चुका है किसानों के आंदोलन को, लेकिन बातचीत जो हल होना चाहिए था वो हल होता हुआ नजर नहीं था। लेकिन इस बार भी किसानों को उम्मीद है कि सरकार कहीं ना कहीं उनकी बात ज़रूर सुनेगी। तस्वीरें मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा सिंघू बॉर्डर पर नए साल का अगर जश्न की बात की जाए तो किसान यहाँ पर दिन भर जिस तरीके से प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, सरकार से लगातार मांग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इस साल का नया जश्न जो है वो यहाँ पर फिलहाल अभी यहाँ पर सन्नाटा जो है वो पसरा हुआ है। किसानों को उम्मीद है कि सरकार इस नए साल के अंदर उनकी बात जो है वो सुनेगी, उनकी जो मांगे हैं उनको मानेगी और वो अपने घर जो है वो वापस लौटेंगे। लेकिन किसानों का साफ तौर पर यह है कि जब तक उनकी मांग नहीं मानी जाएगी, इस पूरे कृषि कानून को जब तक सरकार रोल बैक नहीं करेगी, तब तक वो यहाँ से हिलने वाले कहीं पर भी नहीं जाएंगे और उसी तरीके से अपना आंदोलन जो है वो जारी रखेंगे। लेकिन नए साल के साथ उम्मीदें ज़रूर हैं किसानों को भी कि पिछले कई दिनों से वो किसान जो है वो सड़कों पर अपने परिवार को छोड़ कर के यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं अपनी इस उम्मीद के साथ कि सरकार सुने। लेकिन अब किसानों को ये है कि नए साल पर सरकार शायद उनकी बातों को सुने और उनको समझे और किसी कानून को लेकर के जो पेचीदगियाँ उनको लगती हैं उस पर सरकार जो है वो बैठ के बातचीत करे।
Sushant, thank you very much for joining us from the Singhu border. Sushant, wishing you a very happy new year as well. Our reporters from the length and breadth of the country bringing us the pulse right ahead of 2021. Moments from now, we're going to be celebrating the New Year's. It's going to be quite interesting to see how people across of India are going to be celebrating it at their homes, in their comforts and safe zones, while those in Goa are enjoying their way through. Thank you very much, reporters, for joining us. Please do stay safe yourself, and wishing you a very, very happy New Year's yourself. All right, on that note, I'm going to leave you right here.